Hi everyone. In Palm Springs, it's very rare to have a rain, but now it's raining, and it's a little bit heavy, right, Julia?
Yes.
Oh my
It's a
God,
really big deal in Palm Springs when it rains because we don't have no rain.
Delia, in the Philippines, we have lots of rain.
We have lots of rain, so they don't care about the rain, huh? Because they have so much.
So look at my car, the Tesla, Delia.
Right here, we don't have rain, so we enjoy it.
Yeah, we enjoy the rain here right now, and my shirt is getting wet. So the rain, yeah, there's a little flooding here over there.
A little flood.
Yeah, a little flood. It was very rare the rain here in Palm Springs, so that's why today the rain is really hard. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube Malot Makabudod Fishing.